let's see. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Mac and Jack. We are back today to show you guys another video of a shoe unboxing. I really have a shoe problem. I need to quit buying shoes, but I saw these on dollskill and I just had to get them. They are so awesome. I cannot wait to show you guys. Let's go ahead and open these shoes. Here is the box that they came in, and it is so awesome. A holographic box, so cool. These are from currentmood, and you can get these on dollskill.com. So let's go ahead and open this box up. Okay, so before I open it, I do have a confession. I actually already sneaked a peek at these. I just couldn't wait. I'm sorry guys, I've had these for like 3 weeks and I just had to see what they look like, but I have not tried them on and I only looked at one shoe. So hopefully the other shoe looks the same, but let's find out. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I'm gonna act surprised. So they come with the shoe covers. I usually don't keep those, but some people like to use them. So here they are. Oh my goodness. So these are like a reflective type shoe. So right now when I'm looking at them, they look a lot darker, but when I'm looking at it on the camera, it really reflects the light on it. So you can see, oh, they're so awesome. Wow. They look so cool on camera. They look totally different in person, but just look at that. So awesome. I cannot wait to wear these. Okay. So these are a size 9, and I don't think I've ever gotten currentmood shoes before, so I will tell you how they fit at the end of the video. So if you're a size 9, they look like they would fit a size 9, but like I said, I haven't tried them on yet. So these are awesome. They're very well made. They have a very nice sole on the bottom, and can't see any glue or anything. It has Velcro straps. So it has 4 of those. No zipper, which sometimes I actually like that because sometimes the zipper combat boots, or just boots in general, can really be a pain to get on with the zippers. So this is really awesome. Okay, let's open the other one. See if it looks the exact same. And it does! Yay! So these boots, I believe the name of it is Eye of the Storm boots. And I can post the link below where you can purchase them. When I did get them, they were having a really good sale, so I got a pretty good deal on them. But I think right now they're $95 full price. But if I were you, I would wait till they go on sale, because dollskill has sales pretty often. So they probably will mark them down, because currentmood products always get marked down during the sales. But you do get free shipping. You pay full price. I think it's free shipping after $50 though. I believe that the heel is only 3 inches and it's a platform, so they're really easy to walk in, I'm sure. So let's try them on and see what they feel like and look like. Now that I've tried on the boots, I'm pretty sure I like them even more now. They fit so good, and they are a little stiff. I need to break them in, so I think it'll take a few times to wear them before I can break these boots in, but they are pretty comfortable for the most part. They're easy to walk in, and usually I'm a size 8.5 to 9, and these fit like a true size 9 to me. So if you are 8.5 or 9, then I would get the size 9. If you guys want to get these boots, I will link below the website you can get them from, dollskill.com. I will put the direct link. It's Eye of the Storm boots. Let me know if you guys are going to buy these boots. I really want to know. But they are really awesome. Just the way they reflect in the light is just so cool, and they're just so unique. So if you guys want to see more unboxing videos, please let me know. I can do those. I can do styling videos, or I can do more DIY videos, more sewing videos. Your opinion matters to me, so let me know what you guys would like to see. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.